it's on my
Love
to-do
it.
list. I have
That's
to
great.
figure out how to emphasize how incredible you are. I mean, you
Thank you.
really, you, I remember you, I'm gonna like get
Well, thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah.
truly, I think you said in one of our first sessions that uh, you are like this coaching thing just kind of fell in your lap. And I have to tell you, you are a phenomenal mentor
Thank you. Thank you.
and really like a wonderful, wonderful coach.
That's
And
awesome.
I don't
I
know
love to
how
hear
it
that.
happened for you, but you should definitely go and continue on this path because you change how you think about
That's
things,
it.
which
Yeah.
is
I love
arguably just as important as, like, okay, here's how you get in touch with Ahmed, and here's how you do this, and here's how you do that, like you really change how, like, you shift people's mindset.
that's
Um,
what I would love for you to talk about in your review.
of
That's
course,
it.
of course,
It's much
without
bigger.
crying.
Yeah, of course. No, you can cry. It doesn't matter. It's about, uh, it's just much bigger than,
Yeah,
and you don't know where it will take you. This is why after a while I start saying, it may not just be handbags. You can
right,
do the same thing with any product you're interested in. You follow your
right,
curiosity, and that's
right,
what makes you successful. And you know that in the beginning, you're going to stumble and it's going to suck and you don't know anything about it. But
right.
if you're willing to put the time into it, and I always tell people, it took me like a year
Yeah,
of just grinding every day, not knowing anything, not making any
yeah.
money and learning. And then all of a
You didn't
sudden it's,
have a
oh,
Canon.
yeah, that's it. You've got to figure it
Yeah.
out. But I had, 20 years of this same concept works. I did it with, I mean, I could tell you every product I've ever done this with, it's the
Yeah.
same process, but
Yeah.
it's hard to change your mind, right?
Yeah.
It's very
But
difficult.
you have completely, like, I am not, and I know we have to go. I am
That's
not
right.
like a financial risk taker. Like I told you that in one of the
Right.
first, like that's Tim. He's the
Yeah.
trader. He's the seems like a good deal. Let's do it. He was my conduit to you,
Yeah.
like
Right.
he's like, this sounds great. Um, I am not like that. And now I'm the person that I'm like, oh, 2,500 at Macy's, sure. 3,500 at Ochnek, great.
It's empowering.
9,000 to Shannon,
Yeah.
sure. But
Because,
it's not like I genuinely, I don't have the anxiety over, I don't know. And it's
yeah.
not like blind,
No,
hope. Like I genuinely see the light, at the
yeah.
end of the tunnel.
You
And
have the process.
yeah, and
It's still
you
risk,
have
but how,
taught me so much about, like, it's not just blind luck.
no,
It's not like
no,
you get a good price and then you put it for sale and hope for the best. Like
no.
there's
It,
so much and there's so many layers in it, and you do such a masterful job of explaining all of those layers, and in doing such a realistic, you have such a realistic expectation, and you do it in a way that is not overwhelming, or
yeah. Well,
it's just
everybody,
it's wild. It is
yeah.
absolutely wild. I have said to Tim more times than I can count. He'll be like, "Oh, how was your session with Sharon?" I'm like, "It's just amazing." Like I can't
That's
even
great.
put into words. You change, you shift mindsets, and
That's
to
the
be
whole idea.
able to do that is such a genuine, like, you can't teach it, you can't fake it. You
No,
have
you
such a
can't.
natural ability, and you have such a gentle way of doing it that
Hmm.
you don't even realize until it's like, as
It,
it's like flowing into this process, and then all of a sudden you wake up and you're like, who am I?
yeah,
Like,
yeah, yeah. It's the
how did
hardest
I
thing to
job? I'm like,
teach.
oh yeah, let's get more back. Yes, by